This morning's hearing didn't last very long, but there was some back and forth over whether the defendant, Harjinder Singh, could be present. Now, his attorneys pushed for him to appear, even if it was just over Zoom with an interpreter, and ultimately the judge said yes. On a courtroom monitor, Harjinder Singh appeared from inside the St. Lucie County Jail, saying just enough to confirm he could understand the Punjabi interpreter.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thursday was strictly a docket call, no arguments, no evidence. But the defense pushed hard for him to watch the proceedings in real time, and afterward, they explained why.
Just imagine yourself sitting in a cell and not knowing what's going on, knowing you're accused, having no idea what's going on in the outside world.
Troopers say back on August 12th, Singh made an illegal U-turn on the turnpike near Fort Pierce, blocking every northbound lane. A minivan slammed into his trailer, killing 3 people from South Florida. Singh has pleaded not guilty to 3 counts of vehicular homicide and 3 counts of manslaughter. His attorneys say this case is about more than a crash.
He was being targeted because of who he was. That's why we got involved. We want to take that out of the equation, to make sure it's a fair playing field.
In court, the defense asked the judge to preserve all evidence, the victim's blood samples for independent testing, and the vehicles involved until their experts can inspect them. Meanwhile, federal and state records show Singh entered the U.S. illegally in 2018, failed multiple driving tests, scored 2 out of 12 on an English exam, and could only identify 1 out of 4. Yet somehow he obtained commercial licenses in Washington and California. Outside court, Sikh community leaders say this case is fueling misplaced fear and bias.
One case should never be used to stigmatize an entire community.
His attorneys say the focus should stay on rights, not rumors.
Another tragedy doesn't make that one better. Compounding tragedies isn't the American way. Fairness is the American way.
Singh remains held without bond, and the next docket call is set for January 15th as both sides prepare for a very long legal battle ahead. Reporting from outside the St. Lucie County Courthouse, I'm Katie Benty, CBS 12 News.
This comes as California is planning to revoke 17,000 commercial driver's licenses given to immigrants. Officials say the expiration dates went past when the drivers were legally allowed to be in the U.S.